Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will continue learning basic Shopify navigation and adding our theme. I will be using the Turbo theme in this video from out of the Sandbox. This is one of the most powerful themes in the market. Keeping your store speed extremely fast increases consumer retention by over 80%. Having a slow e-commerce store restricts sales. If you guys want to follow along with this video and use this theme, I will have a link in the description where you can get this theme. You can also get an additional 10% off when using my coupon code LS10OFF. I will have this in the description as well. Let's get started with today's video. In our last video, we went over basic Shopify navigation and where to find the basics for your store. We are now on the Shopify Dashboard. On the left side under Sales Channels, it shows Online Store. Click Online Store. This section will display information like themes, blog posts, pages, navigations, domains, and preferences. Click on Themes. When you first launch your store, Debut Theme will automatically be chosen. This is a good starter theme if you wish to just test out Shopify. Under Actions, you will be able to preview and change the code on this theme if you wish. This is a little more advanced. Clicking Customize will bring you to the Store Editing section. This is where you will be designing your store. Click Exit, and let's head back to the dashboard. Here will also display your store speed. Under this will be your theme library. You can explore all of the themes on the Shopify theme store here. You can browse these themes to see if one of them catches your eye. Click Blog Posts. If you have a website already, you know blogging is a good way to keep customers and followers engaged. You can create blogs directly on your store related to your store products. Pages are the next tab. This will keep your store organized. You can separate product categories, legal pages, and Contact Us into separate pages for organization. Each page will give you an SEO section so you can optimize your store. The navigation section will be where you create your menus on your store. Here you can nest specific categories to make sure your store menus are lined up how you want. We'll be going over this in later videos. Under Domains, Shopify will automatically create a name for you. This will be your store name you chose when creating your store, followed by myshopify.com. This is definitely not the domain name you want when you launch your store, but this is fine until you get your store launched, and the store name is chosen. You can connect an existing domain, transfer a domain, or even buy a domain directly in Shopify. Under Preferences, you can change basic store settings like your store title and social image. Title and meta descriptions will be the things that are displayed on search engines when people find your store. So make sure you put in the correct information so potential customers can find you easily. Here you can also connect Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and change your store password to view on the web. Let's head back into the theme section to get started with our theme. If you simply just want to use the Debut theme, click on Customize to get started. I will be adding the Turbo theme, so there are a few more steps in order to add this theme to our store. For this tutorial, I'll be adding the Turbo Florence theme. On the left, click on Add Theme. Upload zip file, and drag in the theme zip file of your choice if you are using the Turbo theme. There are 5 different options to choose from. If this part is confusing, please let me know in the comments and I can show you how to download and add the theme in a separate video. Next to the theme, click on Customize. We are now in Customize Your Store section. There will be no images here as you need to upload your own media and your own products to your store for them to be displayed. I'm going to wrap up the video here. In the next video, we will begin learning how to customize our store and learning basic navigation inside of the editor. If you like these videos, consider liking and subscribing for future content. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.